sort of nature to really take its place. Some great animal viewing, of course, do that from a distance. And this whole project was done by recommendations of Indigenous nations, environmental groups, and tourism boards. And it's a great project. It just allows people to get out and about and stay healthy for sure.
When does that open up?
That opens up May 1st to June 25th, and then again on September 1st to the 30th. So they're kind of doing that in between those two time periods. So it works out really, really good. Cool. Yeah, the hiking, of course, towards the end of June, we'll see Mount Norquay, the ski area. That will open up again for all its hiking trails up in that area. And if you ever want to try some mountain climbing, you can do that as well, because they have the whole climbing system, which is sort of a bunch of steel ladders and steps and suspension bridges. They have 6 different routes that you can take. It is guided as well, so if you want to give that a try, you can do that as well. You're not hanging from ropes, clinging on for your dear life. Is that right? But definitely you have that security in place as well. Yeah. And last but not least, I hadn't been to Salton Mountain as a kid. And when I did as an elementary